In this episode, we walk you step by step through how to build real passive income in crypto by using staking, liquid staking, farming, and borrowing. Not just to earn, but to create your own infinite banking system, just like the elites. First, we begin with simple staking. When you stake a coin like Ethereum, Solana, or Cosmos, you lock it into a validator node to help secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards, usually paid in the same token, with rates ranging from 4% to 12% annually. This is the foundation. But instead of just letting those assets sit, we introduce liquid staking. Platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool allow you to stake your ETH and receive a derivative token like stETH or staked ETH. This stETH still earns yield, but now it's liquid, meaning you can use it in other DeFi protocols while your original ETH continues to earn interest. That's where we unlock the next step, using your liquid staking token as collateral. On lending platforms like Aave or MakerDAO, you can deposit stETH or other yield-bearing tokens and borrow stablecoins like DAI or USDC against it. Here's the key. You're not selling your ETH, so you avoid capital gains tax, and you still earn staking rewards. This is what elite investors do to create tax-efficient, cash flow-generating wealth. With the stablecoins you borrow, you can now farm. Farming means providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, Curve, or Balancer. When you deposit your stablecoins, or pair them with another token, you start earning a portion of the trading fees, plus additional rewards in governance tokens. To maximize returns, some protocols offer vaults that auto-compound your yield, so the rewards are reinvested daily or hourly. That's where the magic of APY versus APR matters. APR is just the flat annual rate. APY includes the effect of compounding. So a 20% APR might become 22% APY or more if reinvested frequently. Over time, this compounding becomes exponential. Now imagine this. Your original ETH is earning staking rewards. You borrowed against it without selling. You deployed that borrowed cash into yield farms, earning even more yield, and those rewards are being auto-compounded. You've cloned your capital. This is the essence of infinite banking in crypto. Your assets are working in multiple places at once, your cash flow is growing, and you're never letting go of the golden goose. This is not a promise of easy riches. You must still learn how to research risks, avoid scams, and manage liquidation thresholds. But when done right, this becomes a system that builds generational wealth independent of banks, employers, or permission. This is the playbook they never wanted you to see. If this episode opened your eyes to how crypto can be used to build true financial freedom, don't stop here. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode, where we'll dive deeper into creating your own private banking system with crypto, borrowing, compounding, and reclaiming control over your money. Share this with someone who's ready to exit the traditional system and build real sovereignty. The tools are here. Now it's your move.